The Lord Krishna is very dear to you, am I right? So I am taking him with me. Now let me see how you leave the house, Radha.
Then why are you taking her to hometown? As soon as you take her to hometown, all the villagers will gather in your house and berate her and wreak havoc in your house.
You just sit here and have ice cream. And that two-footed witch will eat up your life.
And anyway, I am just a guest here. Sooner or later, I have to return home.
So this was my daughter's plan. She's ahead of her mother.
We know what we have to do to save the temple and our family's respect.
That hit the bullseye. Radha's marriage. I will get married when my grandma wants and to whoever she wants. Mohan, I am happy to see that the person I consider my God is so concerned about me. But my dad and grandma are equally concerned about me. And if they want me to get married, then I am ready to get married. And what is the problem with getting married, Mohan? So I am ready to get married.
Very good. Your grandma is right. Radha, the dim-witted. Do whatever you want to do.
Mohan,
Bless you, my child. Bless you.
Dad?
Radha has agreed to get married. But the way Mohan has been refusing for the marriage, I don't think he will allow the procession to enter the house. He won't let Radha get married.
Radha will get married, Mom. She will get married. Then I'll make Mohan mine. And to have Mohan, I can fight with him too.
Oh Lord, please be with this widow.
Greetings. Yes, we are in Vrindavan. We came today from Barsana. Yes, we can meet. All right then.
what was that, Mohan? Why did you talk to Radha's grandma like that? Listen, Mohan, I have never stopped you from doing anything. You have lived life the way you wanted. You don't believe in the customs and traditions of the society. I didn't question you over that too. But I never taught you to misbehave with your elders. Mohan, today, because of you, my upbringing is being questioned. How could you forget that Radha's grandma was elder to you? How could you talk to her like that? Who gave you the right to do so?
What wrong did I say, Mom? You have taught me that if something wrong is happening, you shouldn't be scared to call it wrong. And what was Radha's grandma doing outside? What was she doing? Mom, you tell me, the way she was talking, was that right? Wasn't it wrong?
It wasn't.
Okay, then.
Because she is Radha's grandma, Mohan. Whatever she is saying, whatever she is doing, is for Radha's well-being.
Okay, she is Radha's grandma and we... Aren't we anything to Radha?
How are
No.
we related to Radha? Tell me, Mohan, answer me. We are not related to Radha. We are nothing to her. Yes, I agree that Radha is a very nice girl. And I know all of us are very attached to her. Due to your attachment to her, you are so concerned for her, Mohan. But what's the use of all this when she herself wants to get married?
I am also trying to tell you the same thing, Mohan. When Radha has agreed for the wedding, she has given her consent. Who are we to object to it? And tell me, why are you so concerned about Radha?
Because, Mom,
Yes, Mohan. Why are you so concerned about Radha?
Here, take this water. Drink it.
because all this is happening because of me. It is true, her wedding is being discussed because of me. Had I not met Radha, the journalist wouldn't have taken the picture and today nobody would have been discussing Radha's wedding. Actually, I am jinxed. I destroy every person's life I take interest in.
Come on,
Radha is
Mohan.
being punished because of my curse and I know that. But Mom, I won't let her life get ruined like this. All of this happened because of me. So I am going to fix it. I won't let Radha get married. That's it.
Mohan!
I have been wandering around you for 12 years, but you are concerned and worried only about Radha. That's not fair, Mohan. Never mind, Radha will be punished because of your concern for her.
What happened to Mohan all of a sudden? Before this, I have seen him worry only about Gungun. So, why is he so worried about Radha? Mohan, what's exactly in your heart? Are you disturbed as Radha is getting married because of you, or is there something else in your heart?
Rameshwar, I'll have to leave early in the morning tomorrow.
Okay.
But please don't worry. I'll come back as soon as possible.
There's absolutely no need to rush. I know that he's just like your sister's husband, like a brother-in-law. He passed away, so you have to go.
Can I say something, Rameshwar? I am extremely sorry that I couldn't take care of Radha. You gave your daughter to me, but I failed to protect her. Please forgive me, my friend.
Oh, come on. Please don't embarrass me by apologizing. What is there to apologize about? Whatever happened wasn't in our control.
I understand that you don't approve of whatever Mohan is doing right now. But believe me, he wants Radha's well-being. He is a bitter-tongued person, but always does the right thing.
I am aware.
One more thing. Whenever my son gets attached to anyone, he wouldn't be afraid to take on the entire world for that person. Trust me, my friend. He will never let anything bad happen to Radha.
This knot will remind me to befriend you with Mohan again. And this knot will remind me to bring Mohan and Gungun close again like before. This will remind me that before leaving this house, I have to fill Mohan's life with happiness and laughter. Will my oaths not be fulfilled, Lord Krishna? Will my words go in vain? No, that cannot happen. I cannot break the promises that I made. I will get married wherever and to whoever my grandma asks me to marry. A decision made for the well being of the family always brings happiness. I don't care if I die. But I can't see my dad's embarrassed face and tears in my grandma's eyes, Mohan.
You are ready to ruin your life for others' happiness. How can you be so selfless?
Dulari, how many liters of milk has been delivered?
Make the calculation as per a daily consumption of 4 liters. Oh yes, we took 6 liters of milk the other day for the Teej festival. That reminds me of something. Should I make kheer today? Let's treat everyone with something sweet.
Sure. But why? What's the occasion?
Because we are getting rid of Radha. Damru was thrown out of the house because of her.
That guy Damru was a thief, you know. That's why he was kicked out of the house. You should be ashamed of yourself. Poor Radha is making such a big sacrifice for her family. She is getting married for them. But you are making fun of her? Go away. Poor Damru, my foot. Lord, please bless Radha with a wonderful and handsome groom for that poor lady. If you don't do this, who else will do it for her?
Mohan?
Not today, Gungun. Today, I don't have the energy of any kind of fight, Gungun, please.
I'm not here to fight. I'm here to make a request.
You are dearest to me. You don't have to request. You can just order.
In this house, there is only one person whom I like the most here. She plays with me. While teaching me good things, she annoys me as well. Whenever I annoy her, she never gets irritated. Because she is my best friend. It's Radha. Hence, I, Gungun Trivedi, order you not to let her go away. Don't let her get married.
Okay, Gungun Trivedi, since you have asked for this, it will be done. I won't let Radha get married. What happened now?
But how? Radha has given her consent for the wedding. Her dad and grandma made her emotional, and she got swayed away by emotions. Emotional fool. Then how are we going to stop Radha's wedding?
Yeah. See, in all these years, we fought whenever we tried to talk, right? Now that we have made an alliance, we would do something great. Forgetting years of enmity, for something Gungun Trivedi and Mohan Trivedi have made an alliance. There will be a blast. Right?
Right?
Right. Deal? friends? Friends? To stop Radha's wedding, we are going to work together. Right? Deal?
Deal.
Yeah. So now our mission to sabotage Radha's wedding begins.
Radha, because of you, the father and daughter are getting closer.
Now I will tell you the plan.
What am I seeing? Now those sworn enemies have become the best of friends. Before they together do something wrong? I think so. I only need to do something.
I think Mohan's habit of interfering in every matter won't go away. Now, when Radha herself wants to get married, why isn't he letting that happen? And also, I got insulted because of Radha on that day of the robbery. I hope I get a chance to seek revenge on her before her wedding. I'll be a happy man.
Hey Rahul, what's this? You are lost in your own world. What will you achieve by seeking revenge on Radha? If Radha leaves this house, then our plan of getting Damini out of this house will also be ruined. It would be better for us if Mohan didn't let Radha get married, so that we won't let Mohan and Damini get married.
Lord Krishna, you are my last resort. I agreed to Dad and Grandma. Now you take care of me, okay?
What are you thanking Lord Krishna for? For your wedding or for the ruined life after marriage? Or are you asking for the strength for the sacrifice that you are about to make?
Mohan, what are you saying? I am not making any sacrifices.
Really? Aren't you? That means, Miss Radha, you are willingly getting married.
Listen, Mohan, I never lie. And I won't lie today either. Sometimes in life, you have to accept your fate and find happiness in it. I am bound to get married eventually. Whenever I get married, I will marry the suitor of my dad and grandma's choice. Everything is happening just the way I wanted. But yes, everything is happening very fast.
Isn't it?
Yes.
Quite a strange wedding, right? What kind of wedding is it where there are obligations along with happiness? Both love and sacrifice together. Don't say such dramatic things to me and actually stop saying such things altogether. Go and tell your grandma that you don't want to get married. Is your brain not developed?
Mohan, do you know? There are many benefits of having such a brain. My not so developed brain is filled only with good thoughts. And there are no bad thoughts in my brain, right? So I think well, speak well, and do well. Therefore, I know whatever I'm going to do is good for my family and me. Because when you start overthinking, it weakens the decisions made. So my brain says that the decision I made is correct. And the same thing is written in the Bhagavad Gita as well. Do your duty and don't think about the outcome. So, this is my duty as a daughter, right? And the rest, Lord Krishna will handle the rest.
I must have been out of my mind when I gave you the Bhagavad Gita.
Excuse me?
You preach that all the time, Radha.
Mohan,
Yes.
can I ask you something?
Sure, ask.
Earlier, you said that
Hmm.
we should not get married for our family or to end our problems.
Hmm.
Then why are you getting married? For Gungun, right? For Aunt Kadambari to end her problems, right? I am doing the same thing, Mohan. So one's brain is fully developed or not, nothing is more important than the family. Our happiness lies in the family only. And I know one thing. It's good if
How to convince her? You should have sent her with a manual. Her brain is fully developed. She is extremely intelligent. For all her wrong decisions, she made you responsible. Why am I talking to you? I don't even believe in you. But the one who believes in you, please take care of her. I told Gungun that I wouldn't let Radha get married. But how am I going to do that? Why did you scream?
Why did you scream?
Hey, look at yourself. I thought it's a ghost.
You were joking with me, right? Actually, son, I was trying to say that to tell you that when the girl is ready, her family is also content, then why are you against the wedding? I mean to say that whatever happened is none of your fault. Then why are you carrying this burden on your heart? Just let it go.
I think you're right.
Yes.
Actually, it's not my fault.
Yeah.
That old woman is to be blamed.
Yes, that old woman. Which old woman?
She was a senile old woman. The one who hit Radha with a stick. Then that old woman pushed Radha into the mud.
Is it?
Yeah, all this happened because of her. Had she not hit Radha, I wouldn't have gone there and Radha's photo wouldn't. If I see that old woman, you know what I'll do? To the hair of that old woman, I will pluck them and sell it in the market. And I will burn the body of that old woman with the wooden sticks. I will collect her ashes and burn them again. On the next Holi.
Oh my god.
Yeah. You look scared as if you were that old woman.
How could be that old woman?
5 years, you were born 50 years earlier. Otherwise, you would have become an actress.
Is it? Really? The people in my village used to say the same thing.
Smile in the same manner again.
Huh?
Not like that. Hey, like this. You know, if you had white hair and black teeth, then you would have looked like that old woman.
Really?
She was laughing like you.
How could my hair be that white? Just tell me. I always use I brush my teeth twice in a day. I always keep them pearl white. In my toothpaste, there is salt also. See my teeth? Eee, aren't they pearl white?
But your face looks similar. If you had two moles, one here and one there. But these moles are attached and cannot be removed. It can't be, right?
No.
Because everything is similar except of hair, teeth and moles.
Mohan! Let's go quickly.
What do you mean? At times I feel I'm living amidst ghosts.
Come quickly.
But
Please,
where?
I'll tell you later. Come quickly.
That was a narrow escape, my lord. If Mohan had gotten suspicious that the old hag was me, he would have thrashed me in that Maya and finished me completely. Please protect this widow, my dear.
Mom, I wanted to ask you something. Radha is my daughter. She'll do whatever we say. But are we doing something wrong to her? What's the hurry to get her married?
Don't try to teach me, Rameshwar. I know what I am doing. This matter has become a pain in the neck. If Radha does not get married now, the matter will only escalate, and don't forget what the head priest said. We lose our reputation and a source of
But Mom,
livelihood.
where are you going?
To the market with Radha.
Why all of a sudden?
Is talking about getting her married enough? Won't we need a groom? You are such a renowned priest, but still you lack common sense. I'm going to the market with Radha.
They are definitely planning something. Something is fishy.
You are absolutely right, Gungun. Something is definitely fishy. Otherwise, why would she take Radha shopping out of the blue?
Exactly.
Yeah.
Something is amiss.
Don't worry, I will not let anything go wrong.
What do you mean?
I mean, whatever Radha's granny is planning, I will ruin her plan completely.
But how?
We have a lot of work.
Let's go.
Couldn't you get ready
Forgive
quickly?
Where are you
me.
going, Radha?
Market to get new clothes for Lord Krishna.
To get new clothes for Lord Krishna? May I come along with you?
Hey, what will you do there?
I'll come and help you both to buy clothes for Lord Krishna. He's my favorite god too. Please, Super Granny. Please, Radha, let me come along.
Gungun, it is so great that you also have faith in Lord Krishna. Come with us.
Let's go.
Hey, Gungun.
Look at this.
Mohan, why are you washing the car?
Because my car loves me very much. You know, it takes me places on her lap. So I thought I too should show some love. And today the time is right. By the way, are you going somewhere?
Yes.
Then come, I will drop you in my shining car, wherever you like.
Wow!
What's a Gungun?
Perfect.
No, there is no need for that. We will call for a cab. Come on, Radha.
No, Grandma. Let's go by car. Then we will be able to return sooner. Please, Grandma.
This is a good idea. We will be back soon.
Hey,
What if the rickshaw driver takes the longer route? Get
Come,
in?
Gungun.
wait, Radha. Do you want to see your photo in the newspaper again? Sit in the back seat. I'll sit in the front.
Gungun will sit in the front.
I will sit in the front. Let
Yes,
me.
I mean Gungun let grandma sit in the front.
Yes. Drive fast. I don't have much time.
Don't say that, grandma. You will live for at least 100 years. Don't say such bad things.
Hey, I'm talking about the market. Where do you want me to go?
Market. That's why we are in the car, right? Today I will finish you, certainly. I mean, we will finish the work you have in the market completely. Right, Gungun?
It is good that Mohan and Gungun have finally become friends. But I just hope that this naughty pair doesn't get Radha in trouble.
Mom,
You scared me, my dear.
what are you doing here?
Me? I am destroying all the evidence against me.
What?
I mean, Mohan said that if he found the old hag who pushed Radha into the Maya, then he would pull her hair. Then he would burn it, and then he will collect all the ash, and again he will burn it next year.
So,
So what? You fool! Did you forget that old hag is me? Mohan said that my face looks very similar to that old woman. That's very obvious because I was that old woman. That's why I am just trying to get rid of all these things at once. So that if there is no evidence, then he will not find out anything. Otherwise, Mohan will make me miserable. Understood?
tell me this, Mom. Why have you still kept all this with you?
Well, my dear, during my young days, during those days when Ramlila used to happen, then play Shurpanaka's character. Imagine if Ramlila takes place here and they call me, then if not Shurpanaka, maybe I can play Mantra's role. That is the reason I had kept it.
Have you gone mad, Mom?
Damini,
Where do I keep this? Where do I keep
In your
this?
bid to hide evidence, you might end up revealing it to everyone. Understood?
Keep this too. Keep it.
Let me go and find out why Pumpkin is calling me. Mom, listen to me. There is no need to do anything now. After everyone sleeps at night, get rid of this stuff, okay? You got it? I managed to execute my plan to get rid of Radha with great difficulty. And your mistakes should not ruin my plan. I will be back.
Mohan, look in the front while driving. Otherwise, we'll meet our end today itself.
Don't worry, Grandma. I can drive on the Vrindavan streets with my eyes closed. See this.
Yes, Mohan.
Hey, Mohan, what are you doing? Open your eyes. I don't want to go anywhere with you. Stop the car. I'm getting out of the car.
Why?
After that, I don't care if you drive with your eyes closed or drive in the well of death. I don't care about it. The thing is, I'm not in a hurry to die.
No?
Until I get Radha married and she settles down somewhere, I will not go anywhere.
It seems all she cares about is getting Radha married. If it were up to her, she would get her married today itself.
Did you say something?
You understand what's in my heart, right? I think, Rahani, I was saying that we should go to a newly opened big shop into the market. Its name is Radha Vallabh Clothes Shop.
I don't want to go over there. I want to go to Hare Rama Hare Krishna clothes shop, which is next to Lord Krishna's temple.
Grandma, there will be a lot of
What
traffic
did
there.
I say? That's where I want to go.
Let's go to the shop that is closer, Super Granny. Then we will be home soon. And then we can play.
Gungun, if you or your dad have a problem with taking us there, let Radha and I get out of the car right now. We'll go by ourselves.
Grandma, Mohan.
Quiet. You stay out of this.
Gungun? Fish.
Fish?
Fish. Something is definitely fishy. Otherwise, why would she take Radha shopping out of the blue?
Exactly.
Yeah.
Something is fishy. Oh, yes, yes. Fish, fish.
What are you blabbering about?
Blabbering? We are not blabbering, Granny. It's fish. We are talking about the fish The fish that swims in water. Gungun likes to visit aquariums.
Gungun? But you don't like fish?
It's near Lord Krishna's temple, right?
Yes,
Hare?
that's it. Hare Rama, Hare Krishna.
Hare Rama, Hare Krishna. Clothes shop. Why is she adamant about going to that shop? Something is amiss. But Grandma, his father and daughter duo will ruin every plan of yours.
Hey, why did you stop here? We have to go ahead.
Grandma, I have some work to do. I will take a minute. Radha, will you come with me for 2 minutes?
Sure.
Gungun, we will be back in 5 minutes, okay?
Mohan, Radha. Hey, Radha.
Oh, the shop is closing. Come quickly, fast.
no!
Hey, wait, I am also coming.
Isn't this fun, Super Granny? I am having a lot of fun.
Hey, I have to go with them. Why isn't the door opening? Please check.
Ah, yes. Oh no, I think he has activated the child lock.
So why did he lock me in the car? Am I a child?
Granny, it's child.
Yes, whatever it is, child or child, open this door. Come on, do it.
Oh, Granny, I cannot open the door. Until they come back, we will have to stay here only.
What? This is surely Mohan's plan. He did it on purpose. I will not spare him, really.
Mohan, what do you have to buy?
What do I have to buy? Nothing.
Did you forget?
Yeah. What are we here to buy? Tell me.
What are we here to buy?
How would I know? We have come to buy clothes. Look how lovely the clothes are. They're so lovely. Blue, yellow, pink. They have all colors, right?
Yes, Mohan. Show me this one, brother.
Lord Krishna himself must not be as excited as Radha is about his clothes. She is truly one of a kind. There is no one like her. And never will be.
Mohan, see this? Mohan? Mohan, see
Yeah.
this. Aren't they lovely? Let's go
Yes,
and
they
bring
are.
Grandma. Come.
Hey! Aren't we here to buy clothes for him?
Yes.
Then you buy them. I will get grandma, right?
Okay.
There are so many clothes.
Yes, there are many. Bring Grandma soon. I'm
Yeah, go,
going
go, go
inside,
ahead.
okay?
Granny, why did you bring Radha to the market on the pretext of buying clothes? What are you up to? I don't understand anything.
Mohan! Open the door, Mohan. Mohan! I know you have done it on purpose. You're trying to trouble me. Open the door, Mohan.
What happened? Did a rat die in the shop?
No, Mohan.
Then why are you making a face?
Mohan, the clothes were expensive. I could not buy them.
You are being a miser when it comes to Lord Krishna's clothes. Let's buy them, no matter how much they cost.
No, Mohan. Mohan, Lord Krishna says one should only buy the stuff one can afford. And the cost of the clothes doesn't matter to him. Your devotion and love matter to him.
Yeah, that is true. That is what Lord Krishna says. Don't you do anything for that? So go, buy the clothes. I mean, go and ask the cost because you will come back after that. You will say, buy only what you can lose. I mean, what were you saying? What should you buy? Afford,
Only what you can
exactly,
afford.
exactly.
You
yes,
forgot.
yes. Right? What happened?
Are you making fun of me?
I am not. Go and bargain, just like other women do. Sir, we have come from far away. We always buy from your shop. The neighboring shop is quoting this price, and the best one is, fine, let's reach a middle ground, give it for free.
And I am going to marry will be a fool.
How else will he be? If a guy agrees to marry you, he must be a fool.
Mohan,
I mean, if you don't get a chance to laugh like this after marriage. I mean, if your husband makes you cry instead of making you laugh, what will you do?
Mohan, the clothes were just an excuse. It doesn't matter who finishes the work as long as it is done. Grey hair.
This is what elders do. They say things to scare others, but they don't do anything.
You have a misconception. This is Lata. And this is her only son, Hriday.
Greetings, greetings.
Lata likes Radha a lot and she wants to make her the daughter-in-law for family.
If he is who I think he is, then believe me, Mohan Radha is falling into a big trap.